Mental.
Welcome, Amalga-Maniacs, to technically the first installment of Amalga-Assemble. That's right, Brooke Krogan, you are our lucky winner for the Name That segment contest, and you will be receiving a Superman action figure that we built ourselves on the show. So you'll be getting this bad boy, and you'll also be getting a first print DC Universe Annual of the Trinity: Batman, Wonder Woman, and Superman. So congratulations, thank you for naming this segment, and now we have a name, Amalga-Assemble. So welcome. So thank you, Brooke Krogan, and welcome, Amalga-Maniacs, to your first, the maiden voyage of
Amalga-Assemble.
Where we're gonna assemble stuff.
Wait, it makes sense because you're assemblers.
Think so? Goes together. It's,
wait, does that mean Avengers Assemble?
yes, we can avenge the models that we assemble, therefore assembling them here in Amalga-Assemble. Also Avengers Assemble. In case the Kree show up or Thanos tries to erase half of life on Earth. Either way, we get the job done. That's what's important. So we're going to be assembling some stuff. We told you people last show we're going to be putting together some Star Wars vehicles, starships, spaceships, Star Wars ships.
Star Wars?
Star Warships.
Oh, yeah.
Star Warships.
Well,
however you want to tomato that. So these are from Bandai, which we're very familiar with.
Star Wars vehicles.
And we're very familiar with Bandai. We've put together Bandai models before.
Like
we're familiar
Superman,
with how they
for
work.
example.
No, actually, that one was.
No.
Oh, that was Bandai.
Yeah, that was Bandai.
Yeah, Spruikit's Bandai. We put together a Piccolo, a Vegeta, so we're pretty familiar with Bandai, and we like working with them.
That's
here's a little idea of what it looks like. As we're only gonna be building the Millenium Falcon today, because there's 3 of them, and we just don't have the time to do all 3, unfortunately, today. We're kind of pressed, so we're gonna get right into the finer points of how to assemble your model kits. First of all, you need a model kit.
Second of all, well, no, you don't
Have a
need
model
it if you
kit.
want to build it.
Are you gonna build a model without a model kit?
That makes sense.
You know what I mean? Get a model kit.
Second thing you need is instructions.
You definitely need the instructions,
But
because without the instructions, you will not be instructed, and you therefore need to be instructed.
to be able to build or assemble.
And now we get into the tools. My esteemed colleague here is going to run you through the equipment and the proper usage of said equipment. I will be accentuating to make sure that you get the point.
So the most, well, one tool you would need is the Twizzamajigger.
Be careful. Warning.
Yeah, warning.
If used incorrectly, the Twizzamajiggers can remove a man's eyelids. Be careful.
A clampable bob.
It's self-explanatory. It clamps things. That's what it's there for. It's its purpose to clamp.
And then very sharp, Razor, whatchamacallit. It's very sharp.
I shouldn't even have to tell you people what this does. It's a razor, whatchamacallit. Every home should have one. But it cuts stuff.
Totally doesn't say in its name.
I know, isn't it? It's a little misleading, I think. We need to rethink the name on that. We'll get back to you with a name change on that. No, we're working with to the drawing board. We'll take it to the drawing board. And don't forget, you cannot do a model kit without
a knife.
A knife.
I mean a knife.
Now there are people in the world that don't know what this is, and you have to say the proper name, because then they will pronounce the wrong thing when they go to pick up their tools, and they won't get a knife. A knife is a great tool. It's wonderful for
It's
you
a great
people to
tool,
use.
but a knife,
A knife is what you need to
is
build
what
the
you-
models. Knife. The K is not silent. It is boisterous and loud.
And how do you spell it? K-N-I-P-H-E?
No, knife.
Exactly. PH makes the F sound.
K, a knife. What?
Think about it. My name, my life. No F.
Right, exactly. The K
So you
is
can use a
normally silent, but it's not in the knife.
But what about the PH part or the F?
There's no PH in the knife. And now, the most important part of your tools, the one thing that you cannot do without when building model kits. We went through the basics. You got your twis'em-a-jiggers, your clamp-em-a-bobs, your raise-em-a-whatchamacallits, your knife. Okay? So you're almost ready. But you gotta have snacks, man. Snacks, this is, you can't,
No,
it's
grab the
not,
chips.
yeah, show
You
them
need it.
snacks.
You need it.
You gotta have these. I've
It's
never seen a
required.
model kit get built without snacks. It's, what are we,
That's
unwashed
unhuman.
mongoloids? We're not gonna have snacks, hors d'oeuvres, if you will.
It's unhuman.
Inhuman. Not like the cool Inhumans like Medusa and Black Bolt, but like inhuman, like not human. So we're gonna get right into building this kit, and you guys are gonna watch, and we're gonna snack. And don't worry, I know it's taking this is gonna take a long time. We're gonna be building this model forever, but it's not. It's literally gonna take all of 5-10 minutes.
It's not edited totally. We just have super speed.
We're just he's Barry Allen and I'm Wally West. Actually, he's Wally West and I'm Barry Allen. I get that mixed up sometimes. I'm the fastest man alive. And he's the fastest man alive.
Well, what about Reverse Flash? Isn't he faster than Flash?
Fine. I'm Barry Allen. He's Ian Thorne, and we are going to build this model kit at super speed.
Because I'm faster than you.
Technically, I would be faster than you. We don't even
I
know if
wanna
that's
race.
true. Actually, it's a good question for Amalga-Assemble. Throw a nerd question out there. Who's faster, Ian Thorne or Barry Allen?
I think he's the
You think so? Use your thumbs. Let
I
us
mean,
know in the
that's-
comments below.
That is how
Who's
he kills
faster?
them all.
You might be right. I'm sure our members will let us know. So without further ado, real quick before we get into that, for those first time building a model kit, you're definitely going to need your instructions because most of the model kits, as you can see by an example here, are modeled by number and letter.
Like letter and number together.
So that way you can
Like
find
A2
them.
and
We
A5.
didn't know that in the beginning, so we kind of opened everything and it was a huge mess. Definitely open up your models or your model kits as they relate to the lettering and make sure you group them accordingly. Organization goes a long way when building a model kit, so make sure that you try to be as organized as possible. Just make sure it doesn't get in the way of the snacks. And without further ado, I'm going to build these people a Millenium Falcon. I'm going to build you a spaceship. Where else do you go on Facebook where they have snacks and build spaceships for you? Nowhere but Amalga-Assemble. Ready to go?
Yep.
All right, let's do this. Japan. And that's it. We're done. Super speed, like we said. The fastest man alive. He's the fastest boy alive. Millennium Falcon. We decided to put the stickers on because there's like 75, not an exaggeration. Like, here are the stickers for the Millennium Falcon. Here,
probably gonna take longer
just
to
from
put them
here
on.
These are all Millennium Falcon stickers.
Yes.
So we decided it's going to take a longer time than it actually took to assemble this to put the stickers on. So we figured we would show you the finished kit, put the stickers on, take some pictures, drop it in the comments so you guys can see the finished product, and say thank you. So here is the well, we're going to show you the model kit, the finished Millennium Falcon that we did, and we also have a little bit of a giveaway. So here is the finished Millennium Falcon.
In the bottom, there's a gun.
It's very small and lightweight. I love it. It's very detailed. It looks just like the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. I don't know if you guys can get a good look at that, but it is very ridiculously detailed. We got the little satellite, the two blaster guns on the top and bottom. It's going to be a lot of fun putting the stickers on this thing, so I can't wait to finish it and show you guys. But that is the assembly part done. It's put together, so now it's just waiting for the art and the stickers. Thank you all for joining us on this maiden voyage of Amalga-Assemble. We will be putting together 2 more Star Wars vehicles together, and don't forget there's going to be a contest in the comments below, so make sure that you at least check that out. Again, thanks to Brooke Krogan for naming our segment, and be looking out for your goodies in the mail. Have a good rest of your night. Thanks for joining us.